will you be in this world? Choose wisely. The journey ahead is fraught with peril. Equip yourself accordingly. Excellent. Now you might stand a chance. Will you face your enemies up close with melee combat? Or rely on precision from afar with a ranged weapon? Good shot! And never underestimate your powers within. You're on fire! Join forces with trusted friends and companions and delve deep into dark and dangerous dungeons. Survive the environment if you can, and fight terrifying ancient guardians. Hunt for long-lost treasures, but beware. Danger lurks behind every corner. Adventuring is tough work, so rest when you can. Discover great hoards of gold. But don't let greed get the best of you. Escape is the only way to survive with your newfound riches. Once you escape, sell your loot to the highest bidder. Use your skills, wits, and teamwork to conquer the unforgiving dungeons. And of course, don't forget to pet the local hound. See you in the tavern.